Hey friends, if you encounter the exception access violation error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. Our first approach should be to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be to update drivers. And how do we do that? So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for all the drivers one by one and check if there is a yellow exclamation mark next to any one of them, and reinstall it separately. But here's a better way to reinstall all the drivers, sorry, update all the drivers. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then on the right pane select Advanced Options, select Optional Updates, install all the optional updates, return to the Windows Update page, click on Check for Updates. The next solution is an SFC scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a clean boot, so search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.